Hello, my name's Gene, and I'm a volunteer with the Champaign Aviation Museum. And one of my projects has been making these containers, which there were 5 of them in the B-17 G model, and these were containers, relief containers for the crew of the B-17. In long missions, bodily functions demanded certain needs, and these held containers to serve that function. And actually containers went down in this area here, and the lids went on the outside. So, and there was, as I said before, there was 5 of these that were made. And
now, was there a tube that came out the bottom, or
no,
nothing went outside? It was just saved.
This is primarily for high altitude, low temperature situations. So there's no tubes or anything of that involved with this.
So they'd actually save it and then put a lid on the top of the cup or whatever it was.
Like I say, the container was in here and the lids were out here, and it was capped off and saved for getting rid of after the commission or after the mission. So
now, where did you get the drawings for these?
These are actually in the Boeing B-17 drawings. Actually had drawings of these, and now I think it was in the later G models that these are functional. Perhaps, as I understand it, the earlier G models didn't have these, but some of the later models did.
Okay, thank you.